back on another day for this evaluation. We're trying to passation, we're trying to pass it, and we're still not making profits. But we're optimistic. We got all the time in the world. Time is in our side. Or is it? I'll explain what I mean by that in a minute. But first, let's get this disclaimer going. The content presented in this video is for entertainment and educational purposes only. The views and opinions expressed are solely those of the creator and should not be construed as financial advice. The creator does not sell any products or services, nor is affiliated with any of the trading platforms or tools mentioned. Trading involves risk and is not suitable for all investors. It is important to conduct your own research and consult with a professional before making any investment decisions. The creator assumes no responsibility for any losses or damages arising from the use of this content. So let's check out if we have any news that might prevent us from trading today. Today is Thursday, 28th. Nothing. All right, we're good to go. We're trading the NASDAQ again, like always. This is interesting. The RSI is up a little bit. We've been going up for the past, I don't know, 10 minutes or, well, we started going down at 904, but before that we had a big pull upwards. It looked pretty drastic on the 5-minute, I think, or the 10-minute, was it? It went from here all the way up here. Eventually here, but big pull up at market open. Well, there was a big drop before pulling up. This is the 3-minute chart. Let's see how we do today, guys. Yesterday was a $300 and something loss, and that prevented us from trading more or keep trading. So the problem with that is that $300 something loss. Okay, just making sure the live is on. The problem with the 350 hitting the drawdown for our day is that we can no longer trade. And I saw a lot of moves after, the losses, and I actually went on a live account and took a couple of trades, and I ended up being up for the day on that other account. I do not stream that account. It's a micros little account that I have that I just, whenever I see things that I'm more sure about, I take trades here and there. Slowly try to build it up. And yesterday was a really good day, actually. I took a bunch of good trades. Actually, it was like 18 trades, a lot of trades. And I ended up with some profit. But had I been on this account, I mean, we would have probably made some profit because, like I said, I was kind of in tune with the charts, especially after those losses, that got me down 350 on the evaluation on day 11. Because of all those losses, I had at least gotten a sense of where I was and what I could do better to get profits. But being 350 down doesn't allow me to take any more trades. But that's kind of how you have to go about these evaluations, okay? So when it comes to real money, I don't have that much of a fear adverse. I'm I can take losses, you know, I can, because I'm kind of confident that I can bring it back if I have enough leverage, of course. Now, have I ever blown up an account? For sure, for sure. Real money accounts I've blown up. Now, not a lot of money, not because I'm not an expert or anything, so I'm putting very little money, actual money, into these accounts. Well, little depends how you think about little, but just enough for me to get an education, I guess, you know, because how much do you pay for college, right? Thousands of dollars, like, you know, college education, at least $50,000, you know. Depends what you study, where you go, and all that, but at the very least, a college education is going to cost you 50 grand, upwards of, like, you know, 200 grand or whatever, you know, depends where you go in school, but at least 50 grand. So how much are you willing to put into your learning as a trader? 50 grand seems like a good deal, because that's how much people pay for a degree. Now, I'm not nearly close enough to even come close to spending 50 grand yet. No way. No way, Jose. Very little start, and slowly putting money so that we get an education. Does that make sense? Even though we're losing and it's money that we could have made, but we lost because of blowing up an account, it still counts as education money, because we still traded all those days, which is giving us experience, and it's kind of like paying for college, is what I'm trying to say. And who knows, it might be even cheaper to learn how to trade than to go to college, you know. It might be a lot cheaper because college is so expensive. And what do you get? A degree so that you can work. Here you get a skill, with a skill that you can make money with. So that's the way I look at this. For the long term, it's gonna be a long journey, and we'll have to spend a lot of money if we want to get better. Not only do you spend money on your trades, but also, of course, all the fees that come with different tools that you use, charts, like basically trading firms, prop firms, or brokers, market data, all that stuff that comes with the business. That's all expenses as well. So 50 grand seems to me like a good amount of money that you would have to spend to become a good trader in the long term, like a serious good trader that can make a living out of it. We're going back up again, and we're headed to this little mapped out zone that we had, so we'll see if we get a rejection from there. It's been running highs, run the high here, and it ran the low as well. Well, this is the low that created this run of the high. So because it's such a big push up, so drastic, our range is basically all the way here. If this candle now ends up breaking this high, then we would consider this our protected low. But at the moment, our protected low is all the way down here. So the range is really big here, all the way up here. Let's get this out of the way. And this. Let's just make a range here. Oh, come on. Well, let's just delete everything. And then, so what I'm talking about is our zone being down here. All the way up here. And then 50% of that. Oh. No. It's here. So yeah, not a lot going on. I'll go silent because I mean, there's no one watching. So why am I talking to myself? But I guess we need to keep this entertaining anyways. That's really hard to do as you're trading. I think it's gonna tap back into this area before leaving up, if it does want to leave up, unless it's gonna run some of the high, lows here. But at least I'll take a tap into this area before any indication of anything. And we'll see if it goes through it or if it leaves up from there. Yeah, very little action going on. We got the low ATR. We were just oversold, so now we're going into the overbought area. Yeah, we're going through that. No, I guess overbought, oversold. So we're going into oversold. We're headed. It's not oversold yet. You see the wick? This could be a little fake out, or it could be a good one because of the zone. So it's either one of those. Okay, we took a trade going up. I'm gonna take more risk than usual and go for a higher target with a good stop loss. That's my trade. So I'm looking for a quick flip from this area because of my zone mapped out and with the risk being there. the 1-to-1. Move it to break even. We'll take some profits up here instead of down. Would be about 5 points. Okay, we did take 85 bucks in profit from that trade. Quick scalp. We don't know how far it's gonna go up. There is definitely a wall here that we have to watch out for. So we didn't take a higher profit. It could very well go up and break the highs, but seemed like the right thing to do with the current trend going down, and this might get ran. But no, it looks like it keeps going up. So I guess I did get out a little early. I could have been protected by another low, but I figured I'd rather get 85 than 35. And I'm not looking to get, you know, $200. I mean, at least I wasn't going to wait for that. But yeah, I mean, look at that. Another good trade that could have yielded more profit, but we're okay. We're happy with the 85. Slowly wins the race, especially in these evaluations. Like I said, if it was my real capital, you should see I don't care. I don't care. But what I do is I fund really small accounts, so if I blow them up, I'm not in trouble. You know what I mean? It's just education money. It's the money I would pay to go to school, not the money to pay my bills and stuff. But school is important. You know what I mean? School is important. So we didn't run the high there. No, we didn't. So price could trade lower now, breaking this low here. And our protected low, like we mentioned, is all the way down here. So we could expect price to go all the way down if it's not going to go higher from this again. If we're not going to get another tap. This could also, 50% of this could also be a place to leave. So we have tap, 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 tap. One of those could potentially give us another reversal. So basically this one. And of course, this one here, we got a wall. So our range is getting a little smaller, but we'll see what happens. We might leave through the gaps. I don't know that what gaps. I'm not making any sense with that, but we could just go through the lines. That's what I'll say. Just go right through them at any time. But we got ourselves a small little range to work with. Looking like another little flip here, so we might trade higher here for a little bit. It does look like it wants to go down. We're at the top of the range that we just created. So if there's no clean breaks and going up, we might catch a downside move. I'm also going to give you guys another look at the chart. This is the 1 minute. Just a little different, you know. This is another platform. There's my order. Yeah, this is not looking like it wants to go up again. Oh, never mind. Yeah, I did mention we could leave from here. Well, actually not here. I said here. Right there. And we did. Because it's half of that pull up from the area. We were able to take a trade going up here. It went down, usually 50%. Then we get another pull up. We did get another tap into that top resistance point. So we might trade lower now. But first we might mitigate a little more this area. There's definitely volume here. That's been a lot of orders being taken. Or it might keep trading up. Run the high. This one is next, basically. Because this is like an equal high here. Pretty much. I guess the one on the right is a tiny bit bigger, higher, but by ticks, few ticks. And we're still making, not making a lower low, so we don't have indication of it reversing yet. It's a 20-second chart here. This is the daily. I guess our ranges have been getting smaller this past few days. We've been going down gradually. Let's see how the stocks are doing. Yeah, a lot of green. Tesla, Microsoft, and Google, all of them down today. But very little, 0.26%, very common. Tesla, I don't know, man. I wouldn't get in that. It's too risky. Okay, now we got a little bit indication of it might trending lower. Not substantial. We are near that support area again. But let's see what happens again on this one. This is the area I'm talking about here. Let's see if we go through it this time. And of course the next one here at 50%. Okay, so now we got that bearish flip action. Let's see how it pans out. So yesterday, some of those trades that I took that I lost where like it would take me out on my stop loss and then go my way. So today, what I'm gonna do is when I look at a trade, I'm going to picture where the stop loss would be and then wait for price to go there so I can place the trade there. So instead of putting the stop loss there, I'll find a spot nearby that I can put my entry. Therefore, you know, giving me a lot more room, a lot less risk. And that will actually help me be a little more patient with the trades, because a lot of times that won't happen and I won't get in on a trade, and the trade might still go my way, but at least I'm being more picky with my trades. And that, I think that could be a good thing. If I get more picky, then the winners, a few winners here and there can make the whole difference. Like right here, we have, I took a trade because again, we tapped into that area I like, and I knew exactly where to place my stop loss. The only issue with this trade though is because it already was up a few minutes ago. Now it's likely to head down and break to the downside, but we'll see. It does look like it wants to push up. Nope. Okay, there he goes. That gave me a good break-even entry with a stop, with a low below it or above it, above my stop loss. So I was a little more confident to move my break-even on this one. You see that it's right below that. Oh, come on. Ah, come on. Well, you know, break even. 20 bucks. Pay for the fees, I guess. And of course, my stop loss is where price trace higher from. You know, that's the unfortunate thing of not getting in earlier, like here. This would be a really good entry, but we first had to see that the high was, that these highs were ran. I mean, I didn't wait for this high. At least I was early enough and took the risk. But maybe I could have gotten a little more profit. I think I had 7 points on the profit. And then look, right below my entry, still going up. And now it's too late to chase it, because now we can stop here, drop down. We don't know. Well, I guess we don't know yet what kind of trade that was. But I guess 5 points, 5 to 5 should have been better. Like I said, I took 7 points profit with a 5 points top loss. All transparency in this channel. You get the truth. Okay. Maybe not the best trading strategy or profitable trader, but you get the truth. That's all I can offer. Nothing more. And of course, I'm doing a YouTube video and there's landscaping guys every day. That is what's wrong with society today. Landscaping guys. That's why everybody's such a pissed off mood. Because the freaking landscaping guys. And you know, nobody can blame the landscaping guys. They're just doing their job. Cannot even blame them. But do we really need to blow all the leaves all the time? It's so noisy. And then John does it on Monday. Mike does it on Tuesday. Estella does it on Wednesday. Patrick does it on Thursday. It never ends. I'm talking about your neighbors, you know, Patrick, Stella, Mike, and John. This could be another entry. Okay, I did take the trade as it was pushing up like that. 7 to 7 again. I just kind of like how the candle was pushing up, like it wants to go up like that. You see? Look, like that. Like that. You see that? But of course, price takes everybody's stop loss before going one way or the other. Broke the low. Yeah, that range is right there, so might be wise to get out with a little more profit if I can. But yeah, my opportunity of, well, let's see. Let's see if maybe it could be just a fractal little movement. I doubt it though. I do think it's going down towards my stop loss. Yeah, it did. 15 bucks. My God, we can't catch a break. We're going for a little too much profit, I guess. 7 points is too much, and I actually moved it to about 5 points, but still didn't take it. I could have taken this profit. I could have taken this profit, but price is picking up steam. Actually, it's moving a little more erratic and fast. Look at that. So breaking even. Well, actually, we're not breaking even. We got 120 in profit. That's not so bad. The problem with this is that one bad trade can like eliminate all of this 3 trades, all of the work. And then look, price left again. This one more abruptly, so I didn't even get a chance to see it. Plus my stop loss would not be covered. Yeah, price is moving a little too quick right now, so might be a good idea to take a quick little break, let price settle a little bit. I'll be right back, guys. 5-minute break. Okay, we're back, guys. What's up? Okay, let's see. We're going down now. Okay, we could have got that. The top was there, but price was moving a little too fast and too erratic. Still is. So the range, like I said, because of the market open, it's pretty big. So again, we're tapping into this 50% area. Let's see what happens here. This time we might run it because of that high. Yeah, I mean, we'll run that low. Maybe this low again. Let's get rid of the 52. I don't need to see it. Oh. I just need to see where it is. Oh, volume's going down. Might be a flip again. This time this low is the one that's causing the flip, if it's a flip. We're not going to rush this one. There's a big candle left, so could go all the way to 50, it could go all the way to the fractal, it could go all the way to the highs again. We are not sure, but it does look like a flip a little more, but could be just a continuation after the fractal here. Maybe from here it leaves down, and if so, we'll have more bearish bias, or it could just be expanding the range like it did here, where it went up, down. Well, here it was a little bit shortening the range, but now it's expanding the range. Let's look at the MACD. That's a good one to see how the conversion, diversion. So yeah, looking a little more bearish. Didn't cross the MACD didn't close the signal line, which usually gives indications of bullish flip. It could though do it here. It could go over the signal, but right now looking a little more bearish. So about to hit that low again. You see that 50% of the candle? Well, not really 50. 50 is like all the way here, but with the wick, I guess, here. But about 50%. But we are getting another small rejection. Yeah, looking like it wants to push up again. Let's see what happens here actually. This is important. So we finally run the low. I'm not considering a flip yet. Unless it moves abruptly up, then, you know, might be too late to get in. Okay, good, it didn't. Another tap into the bottom. But it's looking like we're more at the bottom of the range now. Or near the bottom. Wow, you see that? That abrupt move? Wow. Yeah, it might leap down again from there. Unless it runs the high here. Then we have more flip indications. This is the 1 minute chart. Same instrument. Well, it was a double top. Didn't run the high there. Now it did. Now it ran it. So more bullish flip indications, especially with us mitigating this 50% of the swing point. So we might get another tap around here before trading higher. But now this fractal, see if it gives us a push down. But definitely looking more bullish now. Headed to the top of the range again. I'm trying to think, where would I like my stop loss to be if I'm going up? Ideally here, but that's too much risk because the top is here. So maybe around here would be good. A stop loss here. So an entry around here would be good. This fractal here. Oh yeah, that's giving us action that it wants to go up again. Before, after trading a little lower, I think it still wants to push up. Let's see if it gives us a chance. right there might be the lowest point. Okay, good. Never mind. Okay, so I did take the trade where I wanted my stop loss to be exactly, actually. Pretty good. Okay, we got that trade. I trailed it up a little bit, giving myself a little more profit. 120 bucks. That's good. It's good stuff right there. Nice little flip. Could have gone for more, but again, it's making new highs. There's a fractal here that might give us a push down. I was not thinking that we were gonna run the high before a reversal, and that reversal might give us a lower low than my entry. So that was good. That was actually good to get out at 6 points. Not bad. Not a bad trade. Yeah, that was a really good take profit place. We might get a reversal down here again. Unless we are going up. 4 trades. Wow. Might not want to trade higher than that, actually. And we don't have a protected low, so this could be a good short position. But price might leave without us if we don't get a good entry in the next minute. Or it could be all fake. Fake reversal, maybe. Okay, no, that was good. That was the entry up there. Wow. Wow. It's like I'm seeing it. I'm seeing all the moves that it's making. I'm seeing them before they happen, but I don't have a good entry with a stop loss that might be protected. And then once I get a stop loss opportunity, then it might be the flip of to the other side, to the upside, because I'm thinking of shorting here. Well, yeah. There's yet another opportunity to get in. Okay, I took an order going down. Actually, it's likely that I don't get it because it might just break the highs and keep going higher. But I do like what happened previously with this candle. It abruptly went down, so it might have a lot of pull. And my stop loss is well above that area, so I'm not too unhappy about it. I like where my stop loss is. Shorting again, by the way. Not again, but I think this is my first short. I think I've been buying, longing for the most part. Oh, yeah, it's gonna take my trade and then go down. You'll see. Going for 5 points. Yeah, there's still some resistance up there. So again, my stop loss is well placed. I guess I could have been more patient, wait for this, for the high here, and then put my stop loss above that, which is more likely to give us a reversal. But again, right now we're still in the trade. And it did go down. Wow. It's just messing with me now. Oof. I'm done. No. That's crazy. Okay, okay, that's better. Jeez. No, it does look like it wants to go up. We'll see. Jeez. Yeah, once it goes up, it's gonna go up. So I should have moved my stop loss to take a little bit of a softer blow. I was thinking of moving just my stop loss just a little bit, but I didn't have the chance. And you see now it takes my stop loss. Let's see what happens here. Oh, now it wants to go down, huh? So I'm gonna wait and see if we go higher. We short from up here. All right, we're still $140 in profit. So not the end of the world. Yeah, so now it's looking a little more bearish now. It's not done though. Wow, my stop loss is the highest point. Can you believe it? Wow. I am the king of breaking even. Doesn't, yeah, there it goes. And it never gave me another chance. Well, it did, but with a wick, with a 10-second wick, so little time to get in. And now look, my stop loss was the highest point of that. I mean, I would have been happy to even take this much profit. I think my stop loss, my profit was like right here. Oh no, my entry was here, so not my, yeah, right, like around here. Oh, look at that. Ah. And now from here, it might live up actually. It might push up now that we're in here. Unless it's headed down all the way to the bottom of our range again. Wow. Just a little bit of bad luck, you know, because that was a good stop loss with these highs protecting it. Thanks, man. Thanks, Scalper. Scalper Pura. Much appreciated. Gets lonely out here. Okay, took another short position. You know, my entry, now my stop loss was my entry, so my previous stop loss. Well, not really. It's a little higher, lower for a short. Oh yeah, we might be bullish here. Oh, come on. Come on, give me some. Give me some. No, no. Go down, baby. Come on, you know you want to go down from here. You know you want to go down from here. Oh, come on, come on, come on. That's the fake outs, you know. That's the fake outs, and you know, whatever. Again, I kept talking about the waiting for these highs when I didn't. So I'm so stubborn. Not follow my own practices. Okay, now we're hitting the top of the range. Took another order going down because I'm stubborn like that. With no indication that I should have done it. This thing is gonna go higher now. Oh boy. Yeah, maybe might have been just a bad idea to short. Now that's the problem, is I'm shorting when the trend is obviously going up and the push is up for the day for the most part. Maybe I can get out unscathed out of this one, but I doubt it. I just figured we're at the top of the range, but it wants to keep going higher. And of course our range is way up there, like all the way up here, so I don't know what I'm thinking. Yeah, I should have minimized my loss here when I had the chance, because it doesn't look like it's going my way. There's a small chance that it might, but see if I get another chance. Okay, that's good. That's good. That's good. That's good. Come here, baby. Come here. Okay, we turned a bad trade into a good trade. This is where I am. Shorting again. Let's see if we can extract just a little more profit. But we'll be happy with the 5 points. Something like that. Okay, we took them. Yeah, 5.5 points. $105. 145 profit. 71% right. Some break even, so not a great number. We need more. 7 trades. Still got two more trades to take, or 3, if we wanna keep doing this. But now, yeah, my order again would have yielded more profits. Look at that. You can't blame me for not getting in on good ones. Now our protected low is right there where we are actually. Wow, that almost took my order, my stop loss, but it didn't. Oh, looks like it wants to push higher, but yeah, it might be fake. Oh, come on, push up. Don't go here. Yeah, it came and took me. Yeah, that was the worst trade of all the trades I've taken today. Hey, scalper, Pura, if you're there, man, thanks. Appreciate the support. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. So some good trades, some bad trades, mostly bad trades. $40 in profit, which amounts to only $2 because of all the fees we paid. We're breaking even again. Welcome to the Break Even Show. I'm your host, Wecko. So now we're gonna wait for the bottom of the range, see if we can scalp up. There's a new high made, but it wasn't a full body closure. It's just a wick. On the 3 minute, on the 5 minute, let's see what that looks like. Yeah, it's also a wick. So no highs have been fully, fully broken with a full body. It's just been wicks. So we're still thinking that the price wants to go lower now and break some of the lows, possibly get into this area again. This is where price came from yesterday, went up, and now it's been ranging here. So the range is all the way here now. You know, something like that, or a little more. It's a huge range actually that we're kind of checking out today. This whole thing is today's range, but we've been, you know, ranging smaller for the past hour and a half, or just an hour. This being the top, it's still running the high, so it's getting higher highs and higher lows. But then we've had some pullbacks that keep us in the range. So right here where we are, actually, it's a good point where we could leave up from. So the flip to the upside might come sooner than we think. Right here is actually a good point to check out. We'll see what happens here. We're not gonna rush it because we got another low, of course, here. That's a little more likely to give us a reaction. Let's put some other song. You see that? It's getting down here. We're oversold. So it might be a good place to trade up from right now, but we're gonna wait. Ooh. Oh no, it looks like a flip, but it's too early to tell. So yeah, man. If anyone, I was about to chat with the guy that was on the stream, but he left, or she. They left. Well, I'm glad I didn't take a trade up on this one. Yeah, we did end up getting cooked. On some of those trades. Oh, so it might look more like a flip now. Oh. We'll see what happens right here. Let's see what happens right here. Okay. Okay. Let's see if it closes above this. If it gets down here again, we'll see if it breaks the lows or if it wants to trade up. ran the high, but not broke with a full body. So maybe here it goes up again from here. All right, so we took a trade going up. There were definitely some indications that price wants to trade higher. And my stop loss isn't fully protected, but it's protected enough to take the risk. Yeah, right here is where some bullish action is like trying to go, but we're still trending down, so there might be a lot of orders going down still. Yeah, it looks like we're gonna lose this one too. Oh, just the way it did that, I had to move it down. Just the way it did that. Might push up again. Oh no, I just messed up my... I just totally messed up. All right. Not our best. Not our best. We're only $105 in loss, which 147 total. So it's not like a hugely bad day, and we took almost 10 trades, so we got one more to go. Maybe we can be a little more patient this time. Okay, took another trade going up. Stubborn. I don't know how I'm gonna play this one out. My entry seems to be the place where, after being mitigated, pushes up from. Oh my God. There it goes. There it goes. Yeah, I don't know how to play this one out, guys. I really don't. I think it might go down from there. Oh, that's good. That's good. Yes. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Okay, so now we're at break even with a potential for some profits. If it goes up, it's really good news. Yes, yes, yes. So let me show you guys where my stop loss and profit are. So I'm longing, trying to go all the way up here on this one. I may be a little greedy on this one, but I'm already in profit. Well, I wish somebody was watching as this was happening, but nobody is. But yeah, we're 345 in profit. We're still in the trade. It's gonna take me. Come on, go up more. A little more. I'll take a little more. I'll take 400 bucks. Come on. Come on, go up. All right, since it doesn't want to go up anymore, I might just take my profit here. Yeah. Okay. 335. Come on. Oh. All right, that's good. That's actually pretty good. Yeah, so that's my results for the day. 10 trades. My total maximum trades that I can take based on my rules. $46 in fees, so 50 bucks. Take that from the 230 and it gives me 183.20. So we're back towards our goal. Yeah, not a bad day today, okay guys? So thanks for tuning in, those of you who did. I'm gonna catch you on the next one. Peace.